This recording will show you how you can plan out from your question your entire report plan. So first of all, to generate your question, think about what your general topic is with globalization and what you're interested in or what you're curious about, and brainstorm those ideas and write them in the first box. Once you've found a topic that you're interested or curious in, think about what you already know about that topic and what do you need to know about that topic. Also, in the third box, generate a list of words that you feel might be related to this topic that you could use to put into databases and Google search engines in order to find some resources to help you. Once you've generated those words and you've worked out what you want to find out, think about creating your actual question. Try and design a question that is broad and open and isn't easily and obviously answered in one or two sentences. You're looking for questions that start with phrases like to what extent or how might. You're not looking for descriptive questions like what is or how does. Now that you've come up with your question, think about the types of issues that are present in your question. What are the problems that need to be solved, or what are the controversies or different opinions that people might have within this topic? In your report, you probably will need to address 2 to 3 issues. I wouldn't go more than 3 and I wouldn't go less than 2. So what you would need to do is write your question in this box and then write your issues that you foresee in these boxes. Of course, you might need to do a little bit of reading to come up with some of these issues. Now you've got your question, you've got your issues. Think about each of the issues and try and identify or research what are the different points of view or perspectives that people hold within these issues. Are there different groups or cultures that have different ways of approaching or solving these problems? Are there points of tension or disagreements between these groups? Or do they just have different ways of approaching these issues? How do they think about it? The yellow circle here is to indicate that issue 3 is optional, so you may not need to include these perspectives. Once you have worked out what the perspectives might be, and you may have even 3 perspectives within an issue, but I wouldn't go more than that, think about what your own perspective is within these issues. What do you think about this particular issue? Is it aligned with either perspective 1 or perspective 2, or is it something different again? Has your perspective on this issue changed now that you're learning more about it? Note down these ideas here. Finally, consider your perspectives and the different perspectives for the issues and think about possible causes of action to resolve or improve the situation, and note these down here. This is basically the map of your entire report. You're leading from your question, identifying issues, the different perspectives that people have within those issues, your own perspective, and possible ways to resolve the issues and come to a conclusion to answer your overall question. And we're back to the start. That's the entire process for your essay report.